Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to add Google AdSense to your Squarespace website step by step. This will help you start earning money by displaying ads on your site. Let's get started. Step 1. Sign up for Google AdSense. If you haven't already, go to the Google AdSense website and sign up using your Gmail account. Once your account is created, you'll need to add your website URL and submit it for review. Make sure your Squarespace website has enough content and follows AdSense guidelines before you apply. Step 2. Get your AdSense ad code. Once your AdSense account is approved, log into your AdSense dashboard. Click on the Ads section, then choose Buy Ad Unit and create a new ad. Choose the ad type and size that you prefer. After that, AdSense will generate an ad code for you. Copy this code. Step 3. Log in to Squarespace. Now open a new tab and log in to your Squarespace account. Go to the website where you want to add the ads. Step 4. Add the ad code to your website. There are two main ways to do this in Squarespace. Option 1. Add ads in a specific page or section. Go to the page where you want the ad to appear. Click on Edit. Then click the plus button to add a new block. Select the code block, then paste your AdSense code here. Make sure to uncheck the option that says Display Source. Save the changes. Option 2. Add ads site-wide in the footer or sidebar. If you want the ad to show on all pages, go to Design, then Site Styles or Footer. Add a code block in the footer section and paste your ad code there. This will make the ad appear across your website. Step 5. Wait for ads to appear. Once your code is added, it may take a few hours or even a day for ads to start showing. Be patient. Google will start serving ads once everything. One thing you need to note here is you need to have premium plan to use this feature. As my site is free trial, it won't show for the time being. But if you are on premium, you are good to go. And that's it. You've now added Google AdSense to your Squarespace site. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Squarespace and online income tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.